Hi everybody, I'm Dennis and I'm going to talk about loan modification today. In 2008 I was in graduate school and my home was worth about $400,000, and so I decided to refinance my mortgage and take enough cash out so that I could live on that money for my last year of graduate school and focused on my schoolwork. My plan was to get a job after graduate school and be able to make enough money to pay the mortgage. If not, I would sell the house. It was a good plan. However, the economy changed and my house wasn't worth enough to sell it. I couldn't get a job, so I was in pretty bad shape. I applied for a loan modification through an attorney. I filled out all the paperwork, did what I was supposed to do, and I waited and waited and waited. After about 4 months, I wanted to know what the progress was. Bank of America was totally uncooperative with giving me information about my loan. Most of the people I talked to when I called Bank of America said that there was no record on file of my application for a loan modification. Okay. Nobody seemed to know anything about my loan modification, including my attorneys. My attorneys tried the same thing I did by calling Bank of America and trying to find out what was going on. No information was available. Bank of America denied my attorney information several times because they claimed they had no authorization to cooperate with my attorney. Now, I faxed them the form 3 times that said, I authorize Bank of America to work with my attorney. But yet they denied that they had that information. So after about 6 months, I finally, through some very diligent work from a paralegal at my attorney's office, I got a phone number of somebody higher up the ladder at Bank of America Loan Modification Division, and I spoke to this person, and she told me, just stop paying your mortgage and your modification will get more attention faster. So I did that. So I didn't pay my mortgage for 3 months, which was really great. Okay. After 3 months, I got new documents explaining my new loan, and I thought everything was done. Shortly after I signed the new agreement, I started getting letters in the mail from Bank of America saying that I was delinquent on my mortgage and that I owed $10,000, and that if I didn't pay soon, I would be removed from the premises. So this didn't feel very nice. So I called my attorney, who said that these letters reflect that Bank of America doesn't have any record of, this division of Bank of America did not have any record of my loan modification. So this went on and on for several months, okay? I got these letters saying, hey, you know, you owe this money, blah, 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 blah. No, with no reflection on the fact that I've remodified my mortgage and I've been paying the new mortgage. So finally, after maybe 6 months of getting these letters, I got a letter in the mail from Bank of America saying that that they were remodifying my mortgage and that my new loan payment was blah, 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 less than the loan modification that I had actually signed several months earlier, and that the new payments would start the following month. This is a joke, okay? Bank of America didn't know that I had modified my mortgage. Plus, according to their one division of Bank of America, I hadn't paid my mortgage for like 6 months. So in response to that, they modified my mortgage and gave me a better payment than the payment I got through the attorney. So I really need to say this to anybody that is considering a loan modification. Stop paying your mortgage. Stop paying your mortgage, get the letters in the bank, just keep an eye on them, read what they have to say. They're going to threaten you, they're going to do all kinds of other things, but after about 6 months, they're going to get the hint and they're going to remodify your mortgage, and they're not. And you don't have to hire an attorney and pay an attorney $1,800 or more. And you'll get a great loan modification without doing anything. And you won't have to pay your mortgage for like 6 months. I'm telling you, that's the way to do it. Okay? It sounds scary, but through my experience, that's what I wish I had done. So if you have any questions about loan modification, send in some comments. I'll be glad to respond to them. But my recommendation is just stop paying your mortgage and they'll do all the work for you. No aggravation for you whatsoever. So if you have the guts to do it, that's the way to do it. Take care. Good luck.